Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to escalate privilege in Linux system using capabilities. So Linux capabilities are special attributes in the Linux kernel that grant processes and binary executable specific privileges that are normally reserved for process, which effective user ID is that of root user. So it means that just again run those binary executable files with the privilege of root user. So they will check if there are any executable files or scripts that have capabilities enabled. We just have to use getcap commands. Getcap, and that's R to search for search recursively, and slash to search in all directories, and slash tape 2 greater than slash tape slash null to suppress the standard error, and just run it. So you can see here that the poll command has capabilities to set UID. So now what we are going to do is just setting the UID value to 0. So 0 is that of root. So we'll set the process UID value to root and execute bin bash. Then we'll just get ourselves an escalated cell. Okay, so we have to just run this poll command. Bin poll. You just have to use full path as the full path is mentioned here in capability section. Okay, after that's if a command execution mode. So we are going to use this POSIX module. So we need to import this POSIX QW library. So what it does, it contains this setuid function inside it. So it will just set the UID value. Next we are going to set the UID value to that of root. So set UID 0, so it's for root, and then execute /bin /bash. Okay, so what this line does, it just set the UID of session to 0, which is of root, and execute bin bash. As you can see here that Paul has the capacity of setting UID, so it will just use that capacity. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, now we successfully escalated the privilege, and now we are a root user. So you can see here that we are now a root user. So this is how you can use Paul set UID capabilities to escalate the privilege in Linux system. So this much in this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Okay, bye.